Welcome to another episode of Dynasty Central Snaps, and we have 3 special Dynasty Central Snaps videos coming up soon on the channel, and this is the first of 3. And instead of snaps, we have 3 blister packs of SP Retail Hockey. I know I've had some bad luck with SP Retail Hockey, but I've seen 2 people open up these, and I've seen 2 people get autographs out of these. So hopefully I'm 3 for 3 in that group of people, but we're gonna do 3 packs of SP hockey right here in this blister from Target, and then yeah, let's see what we can get in this one. Hopefully we might get an autograph.
Hey, I've seen this one. This is a classic.
All right, Nanny Mac, blue, Connor McMichael, blue, Braden Point, Sean Monahan, and Darcy Kemper. David Perron, Alex Tuck, Keith Yandel, and a blue Arthur Kaliev, and a Kyle Palmieri. We got Leon Draisaitl, Pia Suter, blue, and a blue James Van Riemsdyk, Pierre-Luc Dubois, and a Shea Theodore.
Well, that was a load of shit.
So it is not true. Not every one of these has an autograph. Of course not. But I was hoping maybe I would strike gold and get 3 for 3 of the people that I know ripping these blasters from Target. But yeah,
You get nothing.
for old Dynasty Central Sports. But maybe next time on the other 2 episodes of Dynasty Central Snaps. We got a blue Pia Suter rookie, Connor McMichael rookie blue, and an Arthur Kaliev blue. The other blue are Sonkville Van Riemsdyk and Braden Point. But thank you for watching this Dynasty Central Snaps. It's a special one. The next 2 are going to be just like this, ripping 3 packs with 1 snap in the beginning. So thank you for watching. Smash like down below. Hit subscribe if you're new to the channel. And throw me a comment. Love to hear from you. And try to reply to all the comments. Thank you for the support of the channel. And we'll see you next time. Remember, happy tokes with your smokes and safe ripping. We'll see you